Angelillo.
What's the question of not knowing what to do? I know what's right, wrong since I've been 10. I heard a lot of stories and I reckon they are true. About a girl that put up on my men. I know I mustn't fall into the pit, but when I'm with a feller, I forget. I'm just a girl who can't say no. I'm in a terrible fit. I always say, come on, let's go, just when I ought to say nix. When a person tries to kiss a girl, I know she ought to give his face a smack. But as soon as someone kisses me, I somehow sort of want to kiss him back. I'm just a fool when lights are low. I can't be pretty and queer. I ain't the type that you fake. How can I be what I am? I can't say no. What you gonna do when a fella gets flirty and starts to talk pretty? What you gonna do? Supposing that it says that your lips are like cherries, roses or berries. What you gonna do? Supposing that it says that you're sweeter than cream and he's gotta have cream or die. What you gonna do when he talks that way? Spit in his eye? I'm just a girl who can't say no, can't seem to say it at all. I hate to disappoint a beau when he is paying a call. For a while I act refined and cool, sitting on the velveteen settee. Then I think of that old golden rule and do for him what he would do for me. I can't resist a Romeo in a sombrero